Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 1973 Trans Am. It's 455. Complete numbers matching car. Frame off restoration. About $100,000 in the restoration in this car. It's absolutely fantastic. It's finished in Buccaneer red. It's got the black interior. Console, 4-speed manual, 12-bolt posi rear. Factory tinted glass. Power steering, power brakes. And restored to factory specs. It's probably one of the nicest ones around. Beautiful interior. This car is literally like brand new. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.